how to use DALL-E 2 image generator. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So once you are here on the DALL-E 2 AI, as you can see on the bottom, this is saying DALL-E 2 is a new AI system that can create realistic image and art form description in natural language. So this doesn't matter whatever your language is, you can simply type in with your own mother language. So once you are here, you have to log in or sign up. So first of all, click on this sign up. Once you have clicked on this will take few seconds to loads up, and you can continue with Google or continue with Microsoft account. So in my case, I will go with continue with Google. So once you are here, as you can see, this is how its interface looks like, and on the bottom this is the examples that you can also try to redesign it. So first of all, let's type in whatever we want to see. Let's say dog on bike. I will simply type this, something like that. Once I are done, simply click on this generate, or you can also upload your image to customize it, like whether you want it in cyberpunk or you want sunglasses on your face or something like that. So it will take about 10 to 15 seconds depending what description is. So basically this will gonna give me about 4 images. Right now my internet is slow, so I have to wait. So right now, as you can see, this is now loading. Now if I want to edit this, I will simply click on that and click on this edit, and let's say I want sunglasses. I will simply click on its face and simply write this with glasses, and this will again generate an image. So yeah, that's how basically you will use DALL-E 2 AI to generate images.